Majorly, some of our parents are still coming in, so we will start in another 2 minutes. Okay? Enjoy your children's performance and every child.
Welcome to our distinguished guest, our loving principal, parents, teachers, and all our dear friends and family members here. I'm feeling truly privileged and honored to address each one of you here as we welcome you all on a 7th grand musical evening. As rightly said by Nelson Mandela, former president of South Africa, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Today, our little morning budding stars, our beautiful little angels are tomorrow's future. Keeping this in mind, we have chosen the theme of dignity of labor. As rightly quoted by Martin Luther King, no work is insignificant. All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance. Our dedicated team members, our teachers, our parents have tried to imbibe these values in our children. Equal respect to all. Annual Day is one of the most awaited days of the time of the year where we all come together as a part of a big family. It's not only the hard work that the teachers put in, but the parents, grandparents, friends, family, all are here to cheer our little children. Without wasting much time, I would like to introduce to you to our most prestigious guest of honor present here. We have amongst us a well-renowned personality who is an inspirational entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and an educator. He is none other than our Shibu Sir Nair. Sir, please give a round of applause for Professor Shibu Nair, sir. A true stalwart for in our education sector, the pioneer of common classes since 1994, an academic director of Isaac Newton Global School and Mount Carmel College. He delivers lectures on stress management and communication skills for the National Academy for Customs and Narcotics Bureau of Immigration and Mumbai Police. He is also a founder of Worry Care, an organization that talks about stress management and soft skill. It's a wonderful team and his entrepreneurship is really a very remarkable one. He is also one of the leading author of a highly acclaimed bestseller book, a self-help book which says, "What should I worry when I can face the world?" With this, I would invite Sir on stage to share his few words of wisdom with us, and also I request our principal, Ms. Christine Acosta, to give the tribute to him. A small token of appreciation from Morning Star.
Good evening, staff members of Morning Star Preschool, my dear parents and all of you present over here. First of all, I would like to thank Roma ma'am as well as Jackson, everyone associated with Morning Star Preschool for inviting me for this wonderful function over here today. What is the definition of a good school? You search for schools for your children all the time, but then often this question comes in your mind: how you define a good school? I feel if my child is happy to go to my school or his school, and the child comes back from the school happily and tell you about the school, what happened over there, then that school is a happy school. So I know the school you have chosen for your child, Morning Star, is one of the happiest schools in Vasek. School becomes happy when the people who run the school, the teachers are caring, kind, there is a smile on their face all the time. And you can see they smile all the time. I have gone to this school before also. So I was very happy to see kids freely talking to their children, hugging their teachers. So when we have these interviews for teachers nowadays, I do not check first whether they have B.Ed or they have done their post-graduation. I talk to them for a while. I see their body language. I see how they communicate. Are they caring and kind? If any teacher wants to be a successful teacher in this changing era, they have to be very caring, understanding, motherly. So you are blessed with such teachers in the school, so I congratulate you, all of you, for choosing such a good school. See, because I am in teaching for so many years, whenever people meet me, they ask me one question: how can I become a better parent? Tell me the secret of good parenting, positive parenting. So today you have called me over here, so I will share the secret of good parenting with you, which I am so sure will help you to take care of your children much better, because everything around us is changing every day. When we were children, a change used to happen in 10 years. But now everything changes so fast, so parents are confused in this era of technology, where even a small kid is interested in social media or computers or television, where a child has got a lot of avenues to get knowledge. Previously, the teacher was the sole custodian of knowledge. But now you can get knowledge everywhere. The only thing is that how to differentiate between the right and wrong, which is available across the internet or everywhere in Google, how to give it to the children. A lot of questions come into your mind. First and foremost, I would like to tell you, do not think of their career now. They are very small. By the time they reach 10th standard, there will not be any exams. Everything is going to change. They may not be writing anything. All the questions may be multiple choice questions. They may be having a iPad instead of a notebook. So why should we plan from now onwards? So recently I got a call from a parent who is my student, where the child is in senior KG. She was asking me whether I can get a tutor for the child. I have seen another parent who had come to me and told me I have kept my child engaged in the morning from 8 to 11 with a tuition teacher. Why these things are necessary? Let them be happy in their space. Let them play. Let them enjoy. Let them learn things naturally. These kids will be very successful. Do not worry about that part. So to become a good parent, there are 3 important things you should remember. 1, listen to your child. So important, when your child talks to you, you leave everything and give your complete attention to your child. Complete attention to your child, very important. So when I talk to you, you come to my office and you're talking to me, I get a phone call, so I take the call and I tell you keep on talking, you feel so annoyed about it, you feel so ignored about it. I've seen when you talk to someone, they'll be in the phone and they'll not be looking at us. That is not the right way to interact with your child. For example, mother is cooking and the child is telling stories about what happened in the school. Mother listens, but the child doesn't feel mother is with her. You have to leave these things and give the child some quality time. Ask yourself, how many of you give this quality time to your child? Spend some time with your child, and these children, they love to talk to you because you are their heroes, father and mother, heroes. The same is with teachers also, they would like to talk to the teachers. So when I go to my school, first standard and all, they just stand up and talk to me. They tell me, my mom knows you, you have taught her, a lot of things. So if I tell them, sit down all of you, this is not the way, I also talk to them like that only. I spend some time with them, so they like me. So parents, you just listen to them, do not give them advice, not necessary at this age. Often what happens, you talk to someone, before we complete what we want to complete, they start giving advice. Why? No one needs advice, they want someone to listen to them. So listen to your parents, spend quality time, to your children, and spend quality time with them. Second, appreciate your children. Whenever you get a chance, every child has got a lot of qualities, but we don't search for the qualities. We live in a country where we are made to feel inferior all the time because we have 10 qualities, no one speaks about it. One we do not have, they pick it up and bring it in front of us. Our parents did, our teachers did, our neighbors did, everyone. So we feel inferior about ourselves. We tell our child all the time, you are not good at it, you have to do this, you have to do this. The child feels I'm not good at it. But there are how many things which the child may be good at. Your child smiles at you, hugs you, spend time with you, tell stories, listen to you, put their head on your lap and sleeps. What more you want? So we tell the child, you are a nice child. Appreciate them. When they grow up, it's very important. So I've seen these kids of class 7, 8 and 9, when they learn things, they may not be able to learn the way their parents want to as compared to someone whom their parents feel is the best in the class. Because every child is unique. I teach slow learners, a lot of slow learners. You know what a slow learner is? They work very hard, but they cannot remember things. So our government gives them an opportunity where he can get a writer to write the exam. But they become very successful in life later on, provided you support them. In my school, I have kids who are special, very dear to God. They sit in a regular class along with other students. And in 3 years' time, they start behaving like students who are there in the class. We have to do this. We have to understand we are lucky to have a child. Having a child itself is blessing. I see husband and wife, 10 years. They go regularly to the hospital to conceive. Sometimes they don't get a child. So when we get a child, we should feel blessed about that. The day you came to know you're going to have a child, it was celebration. The day the child was born, celebration. So why that celebration is not there when the child gets mark sheet? Why should they score A+ in all subjects? I am getting C, not because I am not studying, because I need time to study. Before that the exams come. From C, I come to B. There should be a celebration. You have to call everyone. My child has got B. But that doesn't happen. You will tell, it may not be you. Normally parents say, why didn't you get A? He has got A. That is where you are discouraging your child, where the child feels you are not able to understand him. The child is not studying, you have every right to say you are not studying. But the child is studying in spite of that because the child doesn't have an aptitude for a particular subject. The child is not scoring well, it's not his fault. You have to support. And in front of everyone, you have to tell, see, he did not get good marks in the first exam. Now he is trying, he is working hard. Appreciation. If my child is going to school and en route the child sees another child sitting over there and crying. So my child goes to that child and asks, why you were crying? So the child says, I'm hungry, I have not eaten. So if my child from the school bag takes the tiffin, open it and share it with that child, that is also a quality. Yes or no? So every child has got a lot of qualities. Search for that qualities, appreciate. What will happen when the child grows up? He will thankfully remember you for the support you have given when he was struggling. But we did not do that. We criticize him in front of everyone. So when they grow up, that grudge is there. That's why many times what happens, you know, in your old age, your child is not connected to you. Because the child feels, I was not connected when I needed. So appreciate. And the third one, put limitations and regulations and restrictions when required. Whenever it's required, you have to say no. Hope it's very clear to you. So we cannot say yes to everything. Saying yes to everything is not good parenting. When you have to tell no, you have to tell no. It's so important. You have to make them understand why certain things may not be good for you. Any parent who is a permissive parent, there are three types of parenting mainly. One is authoritarian parent. Authoritarian means the child doesn't do things which the parents want to do. He is punished. Sometimes physically, sometimes verbally. So the child is scared about the parent. Authoritarian. I have been teaching for the last 30 years. I have seen kids who cry like anything in front of our counselors or teachers because parents are authoritarian. They are not ready to listen. And they brutally punish sometimes. They cannot control their anger. The child, when he grows up, will become very rigid and he will be aloof from others. The next one is permissive, exactly opposite to authoritarian. When you permit everything because you feel, when I permit everything, the child will love me more. But you cannot do that. So which is good parenting? It's authoritative, where you have to mix both up. You have to give permissions at the same time when restrictions are to be put, we have to put restrictions. Recently, I was in my school, so I just walked in my office, so I could see the admission counselor's office over there. So one ma'am was sitting over there facing our counselor and was talking to the counselor. And her child, small child, maybe in first standard, she was lying down on the floor and she was crying and screaming literally. She was crying. Children cry sometimes for something, you know. So the parent was getting annoyed. So I was walking in, it was a glass cabin, so I could see this, I was just watching. So I am writing a book on parenting now. So I observe everything. The book is on parenting the generation next. All these problems, which parents face, how we can counter them. So I was just watching over there. I put this incident in that book. So what happened is, the parent turned in between 2-3 times and tried to calm down the child, but the child was screaming. So the parent got embarrassed because it's an office and the child is shouting and all. And suddenly what happened, she turned, took her mobile, switched on a video, a cartoon video and gave it to the child. The next second, the screen stopped. And the child did not even get up. The child had his hands like this and light on over there. The child was watching the mobile. Everything is calm. Parent is happy. Child is happy. Counselor, everyone. We see this in almost every house. When we go to any house, we have conversation with the elders to keep the younger child calm, not interfering. What we do? Cartoon, mobile. And then we complain at some point of time when the child grows up, or he is always in mobile. So what I am telling you know, there are certain things which has to be used in a limited way. It's not only mobile. In a classroom of 30, a child has to sit when the teacher says you have to sit. He should know how to behave in a community. That's why rules and regulations are there. Slowly we will have to make them understand. So you cannot say yes to everything. So listen to your child, give quality time to your child, talk to him. When you talk to him, be with him all the time. Appreciate the child, find reasons to appreciate in front of everyone, and put limits and restrictions when required. If you do this, you will be happy and successful as a parent, and you will always get a lot of love from your child. So once again to all of you, always feel blessed to have a child. Love your child unconditionally. Do not worry about your child's career or future. Be with them. Support them. Your child will make you proud. Thank you so much once again. Stay blessed. I wish God bless. Thank you.
The principal of Morning Star, Professor Shibbu Nair sir, and the most strongest pillar of Morning Star, the mother, Christine teacher's mother, Pamela De Cruz, to be here. Kindly come over near the stage. And also the mother-in-law of Elsie De Costa. It invites knowledge. We are dispelling darkness, invites knowledge, wisdom. Top national banks and asset management and credit information companies requesting our principal to be given a token of appreciation for Ms. Deandra. Kindly come on stage. Please give a round of applause for coming here and gracing this occasion.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Before we begin with the event, I'm sure you're all very eager to see your little children and your tiny tots here. A day without prayer is meaningless. So we invoke God's presence in our midst and we invite our little children to say a prayer song.
This is the light. musical play. Respect for every occupation. Every occupation is significant and must be treated with respect. We are glad to present you a host of community helpers and professions that add to the excellent functioning of society. Of loving, caring and sharing. We must be the change we want to see in the world. The students of Manikpur Center will be singing an action song that upholds the core values of humanity.
Something in my करके कुछ करके नस नस मेरी खोले हर कुछ करके कुछ करके बस बस बड़ा बोले कुछ करके ओ कोई तो चल से फड़के तू बेचारी जा मरिए हर कोई तो चल से फड़के तू बेचारी जा मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे कूचों में गलियों में राशन की भलियों में पैरों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में आज भर दस बार पार कर हम यार पीछे कितना भी कोई भी है बस है नाम बस है जिद है तो जिद है जी इस नाई नहीं इस नाई नहीं इस नाई नहीं कोई तो चल से फड़के तू बेचारी जा मरिए हर कोई तो चल से फड़के तू बेचारी जा मरिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया
Chorus answers, okay? You're going to come right here and give me the answer. When was the Morning Star preschool started? If anybody knows, we'll come here and give me the answer. We have a prize for you. Spot prize with the prize milne wala. No, give multiple choice. Okay, is it 2014, 2017 or 2018? Prize लेने के लिए यही पर
बहुत थक गए क्या? फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस में ही थक गए क्या? Who says loudly dignity of labor? Come on. What is the theme of today? And respect for every profession. Wonderful. Good.
चला बिजलियां कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू आंखों में भर के चला बिजलियां तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी ऐसा जुनून है किसी ने कहा बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधियां मंजर नया मंजर है के उड़ रही है धड़क सी आंधियां मंजर है मंजर नया मंजर है के उड़ रही है धड़क सी आंधियां
Other attributes of a teacher to touch lives, personality, how a teacher speaks, all that is important. So we are coming up with the ECCA course to promote and to bring about learning among teachers, to bring about quality education. Keeping in line the NEP, the National Education Policy. So spread the word and let's have vibrant teachers so that our children become more vibrant. You can see vibrant performance because of the vibrant teachers. So big round of applause for our children and our teachers who have put their heart soul to bring about the performance that you see today. Thank you, dear teacher. It is because you believe in us so that we can perform. You change and you bring about a new destiny. You bring about a new vision. You bring about hope in society. A teacher's job is tireless. She does not she doesn't take breaks. She's always on and on. So thank you, dear teachers, for always believing that children are the best and we will always rock. God bless all the teachers.
मैं तो लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया तू होगी बटू ये बटू हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा मारेगी तू मैंने उड़ी दी हो गई मुंडे दी हिलत चलती टुक 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 करती मेकअप तू करती अंग्रेजी पढ़ती गिट पिट तू करती जिम्मे कोई न सादी विक्टोरिया तू कहती बिग पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैंदी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कहती बिग बैंग दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नच पैंदी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
Requesting our chief guest, Deidra Montero, kindly come on stage and share a few words about the day, about the evening that you've seen and witnessed.
Today's evening marks an important milestone in the journey of your children. As I see them perform, dance and sing to different songs, it gives me immense pleasure. Indeed, a teacher's life is without a break. They work hard for their students, to train the students and to bring them to perform really well. It gives me immense pleasure to tell you that today was an evening which was successful and Morning Star has achieved its vision in helping the students come a long way. Thank you for attending today's session and being a part of today's annual day. I would not want to take much of time and want you guys to enjoy today's evening. So let's enjoy today's evening and let it continue. Yeah.
Thank you to our dear Deidra, who has been a very strong support in the most difficult phase of my life. I didn't think today would be possible with all the kind of things that we have been through as a family. But I believe grace will take you through.
One step towards my dreams I see, spreading the power of my destiny. Footsteps carry a backstep fast, moving ahead I forget the past. Fears and follies around apart, step out and step forward, give a kickstart. Onward and on, follow the road, with a lion heart. Some steps slow, some steps more, some steps long and some steps short. I keep going 1 minute more. That's how we ran my steady power. Fears and follies around apart, step up and step forward, give a kickstart. Onward and on, follow the chart. I face it all with a lion heart. I face it all with a lion heart. I face it all with a lion heart.
Oh, what a roaring performance!
We always stay strong, stay bold, and brave with the lion's heart.
Shaila reads. Okay, you have to say that at least 10 times. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Come on, anybody want to try? Very simple. Sheila needs kneading the dough and Shaila reads. Okay, one is kneading the dough. You know when K follows N, K is silent. So Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Come on, anybody want to do it? Try.
Needs, Shaila reads. Yeah. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Sheila needs, Shaila reads. Sheila needs.
Okay, anybody else?
Sheila needs,
Shaila reads. Sheila reads. 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 Shaila reads. 10 times.
More than 10.
Needs, Sheila reads. Sheila 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 needs, Sheila reads.
Anybody more than 20 to 25? I think 25 होगा ना? Anybody more than that? Anybody wants to read and read? Good. Yes, Hazel, you want to try?
Sheila needs, Shaila reads. 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 Sheila needs.
So we have 2 prizes for two of our lovely guests who have really did a very good tongue twister. You know, you twisted your tongue really well. Come on. So give it to both of them. Raymond has been a big support, and today this entire event has been a success because he gave us for the rehearsal. So big round of applause for Raymond and the entire team, Sameer. Everyone over here in Dream Arena is like, family. And I'm so glad it's because of Deidra and the entire family over here of Dream Arena, Sameer, Shakir, Shabir, all of them, I don't remember rest of the names, but the entire team was there and they got everything ready for us. The first, everything. Thank you, Raymond. Let's give a round of applause for Jean's Granny. Very good. The artist, upcoming artist.
I am artist and beautiful picture in my mind which can we see on my canvas. I am a writer. I write interesting stories for children.
Oh, we have the cobbler. Anybody wants to get their shoes repaired? We have a little cobbler here on stage. She's refusing to get off the stage. And please maintain silence. You will not be able to hear. The mic. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Come on, when I grow up. When I grow up, firefighter. Putting fire out, quick, quick, quick. Very good. Very good, firefighter, chef. Very good, very good. Excellent, firefighter, soldier, chef. Good job. So there we have the teacher in the white and the students with the slate ready to learn. We are daughter, giving medicine. Come on, check, doctor check, Bethany doctor check them.
Okay, wonderful.
Everyone has a bit of magic with their hard work, creativity and determination. We must nurture a society to believe that we can all create magic by simply helping each other. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall walk hand in hand. We shall walk hand in hand. We shall walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
जगरन बसेरा साचा दर्द मृग तृष्णा सामो पिया नाता मेरा तेरा
काश मैं भी अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भेज पाता। काश मैं भी अपने बच्चे को ऐसी शिक्षा दे पाता, मुझे भी कोई समझ पाता।
नैना जो साँझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए नैना जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना सहन में पल के नीचते जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते ये गम भीगे नैना जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे नैना बंद हो गए
रुको, मैं भी स्कूल चलूंगी, मुझे भी पढ़ना है।
चलो हटो यहाँ से।
पापा, पापा, मुझे भी पढ़ना है।
मैं और भी मेहनत करूंगा अपने बच्चे के लिए।
अवसर लेते गए और अंतर में वो विश्वास, फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा काम तुम्हें एहसास। मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही करो। मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो। झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो। बड़े रहो, बड़े रहो, बड़े रहो। दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी पहले उसको इनकार मिला। दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी पहले उसको इनकार मिला। अपमानों का हार मिला और दानों का उपहार मिला। अविश्वास में अविश्वास करो और लहरों के विपरीत बहो। हाथों में विजय मशाल लिए विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो। विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो। अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो।
आयुषी यूपीएससी के टॉप आज वो अपने और अपने माता पिता के कठिन परिश्रम से आईएएस और देश सेवा में आगे बढ़ेगी।
मेरा सुपर हीरो ना से लगता है। दुनिया मेरे सुपर हीरो नहीं है, पर मेरा सुपर हीरो मेरी दुनिया है। बस एक प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा सुपर हीरो मुझसे झूठ बोलता है कि उसके पास ढेर सारा पैसा है। वो झूठ बोलता है कि उसको भूख नहीं लगती। वो झूठ बोलता है कि उसको रोना नहीं आता। वो झूठ बोलता है कि वो कभी थकता नहीं है। पर कोई ऐसा मेरी खुशी के लिए करता है। आई लव माय डैडी, माय सुपर हीरो।
हमारा भी योगदान होता है देश को आगे बढ़ने में। फिर भी क्यों हमें सम्मान नहीं दिया जाता?
Thank you for the wonderful performance.
तुमको सुकून चाहिए, पूरी एक आरज़ू चाहिए। जैसे पहले कभी कुछ भी चाहा नहीं, वैसे क्यों चाहिए दिल को तेरी मौजूदगी का एहसास यूं चाहिए। तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए शाम सुबह। तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए हर मर्तबा। तू चाहिए जितनी दफा जिद हो मेरी उतनी दफा तू चाहिए। दिल को सुकून चाहिए, प्यारी सी चाहिए, जैसे पहले कभी कुछ भी चाहा नहीं, वैसे ही क्यों चाहिए। दिल को तेरी मौजूदगी का एहसास यूं चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, शामों सुबह तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, हर मर्तबा तू चाहिए। जितनी दफा जिद हो मेरी, उतनी दफा तू चाहिए।
दुपट्टा भी होती है, एक आंसू में दुआएं भी रोती है, कोई बता क्या है मम्मी ऐसी होती है। मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी
माँ जैसी दुनिया में कोई नहीं, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरी माँ। थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है। मुश्किल में होती हूँ मम्मी मेरी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भी होती है, एक आंसू में दुआएं भी रोती है, कोई बताए क्या है मम्मी ऐसी होती है। मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है,
job. It's not easy to handle all these children backstage, train them and bring out the best in them. So I like to call upon our very dynamic and wonderful teacher who took extra responsibility even to train the classes children. She is being the big rock and pillar of Manipur Center, who never says a no, and she is very creative. She is known as the art guru. Can we call upon Vaishali Solanki? Big round of applause for her. So she is the art guru. So we have different felicitations. The teacher for junior KG and senior KG. The art guru. Guesses? Who am I talking about? Every child is special. She is from the Siog Nagar Center. Very motherly, yet stern and very encouraging. She handles all our special children with lots of love. Can we call upon any guesses? Varsha, oh my God, teacher Varsha comes. The encouraging guru. Maximum stories to children, and the children enjoy her stories so much. She's from the Siog Nagar Center. Anybody wants to take a wild guess? She tells the maximum stories with all action and dancing, everything. Anyone wants to guess? Anyone wants to guess? Melvina teacher. So we have Deidra, our dearest, to give the certificate. There are engineers, there are doctors, there are pilots, and that is because of dear teacher. We call upon someone who is very disciplined. If you saw Manzil Nayar, they stood in line, they walk in line, and she is someone who is very, very passionate about her profession. We call upon the discipline guru. Anybody wants to take a guess from Manipur? Sandhya teacher. We have very strong support staff who do a yeoman's job with each child. I want to take this time to thank every support staff over here. So we call upon our shining star, a strong pillar, Hetal Ved. Another lovely, smiling helper. Really do great for the children and love the children with so much of love and attention that they give. The smiling one at Siog Nagar who enters, who takes all the children's bag. You know who I'm talking about? The smiling one at the door, who takes everyone's bag, and all the children give a hug. Who is this? Pillu teacher. Can we have Pillu teacher? Nobody can pass the gate without her. The very beautiful playgroup helper, teacher. Can we have Vaishali, teacher? We had a lot of rising stars over here. Is Griselda here? She's gone? Okay. Okay, rising star, a wonderful person who is amidst us and who has come in lately, an ex-teacher of St. Augustine, and we are glad and privileged to have her to mentor children. Can we have Mrs. Seema Marshall, who is going to be a part of
So can we have Vinita Fernandez, the rising star? This entire event would have been impossible without these actual engineers. Oh, the back office, someone who sends messages every time to you all. The one who is always there, making videos, today's sound, handling the sound, listening to all my things, what I have to tell you, all my lovely words. Someone who works on our Instagram, our Facebook page, today's entire sound engineer. Can we have a big round of applause for Melita? Woo! This woman doesn't need any introduction. Everybody knows her because you meet her and then you meet me. She's been all around here, all over the place. What I forget, she remembers. She remembers my keys, she remembers all my things, and she reminds me of everything that I forget. So I would like to thank her for being a big mother, I can call you what? So a grandmother to me, because she gives me scolding, tells me everything. So big round of applause for Celine. She's been a mother to all the children also. She does an amazing job. She even thinks of the school, the classes all as though she even put off the lights and the fans. So that is her commitment, her passion. And we are grateful to have such a strong support system with us. Thank you, Celine. I like to propose the vote of thanks because after that you will not listen to me because after the father-child dance. So I like to propose the vote of thanks. Is a gateway to grace. I have some lines of a song because all of you hear me speak. So today you hear me sing. Okay? I have some lines of a song, but I need to listen. You have to listen if you want me to sing. Okay? So I like to begin by thanking God and singing this beautiful song by Don Moen. Okay? I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've done in my life, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. So I want to really take this opportunity to thank God because I have seen so much of blessing in my life. And the biggest blessing is there, my husband, who has been healed, come out, and been in the ICU and come out as a big blessing. So I want to take this opportunity to thank God and for all of you who knew and were praying for him. So thank God because I feel grace is in this entire system and it is grace that can lead us through. Next, I want to take this opportunity to thank the teaching and the non-teaching staff. They were the rock that held this entire show together. Thank you, dear teachers. Keep soaring high. We are blessed because of you. A heartfelt gratitude to Dream Arena. Raymond, very special thank you to Raymond and Sameer. This entire event, I really feel grateful and blessed. Thank you, Raymond. Thank you, Sameer. Thank you, Shabir. And the entire team of Dream Arena for being very supportive and encouraging. The chief guests who have been super motivating and encouraging to us. Professor Shibu, he couldn't be there throughout the performance, but I am super grateful for all his
encouraging and inspiring words. Whenever I go into his cabin, he will always tell me to give my best. And I am so grateful to have a mentor like him. Deidra, for being there in this entire difficult phase of our lives, always encouraging and storming heaven for our family. I would like to mention TDDA that has been a big support system of family. Nigel, Katniss, John, Abigail and all the choreographers. Big round of applause for TDDA, Dream Arena, teaching, non-teaching staff. Vipin? Vipin? Last but not the least, my entire family, my dearest husband, my friends, Sharon, Jennifer, my friends who are stuck with me through thick and thin. I know I'm impossible, but impossible is I am possible. So thank you for being the wind beneath my wings, my dear husband. And I know you're going to bounce back very soon, make amazing videos like you did. God bless everyone for listening to me. Okay, and now we will have the father-child dance.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये जहां वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले तो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले
Wonderful, electrifying. And may you keep painting pictures on your canvas as you go to grade 1. We are blessed to have you with us. God bless you. Son, girl, may you dream big and always be what your mama and dada want you to do in life. God bless you
and may you follow the footsteps of your grandfather, Dr. Bansode. God bless you. We are so proud to see you evolve as one of the greatest stars in the galaxy. I know you are going to do wonders with your wonderful mind. God bless you and may you sail across like a wonderful star. Dear Vihan, I still remember the day when you came crying, and today I see you so confident, such a lovely child. You have evolved and we are proud to see you evolve. God bless you and may you keep shining. The others, we have the participation certificate which you will get. We are so happy to see you, Babu, and you were a wonderful farmer. You remembered your lines, and may you keep shining like a star wherever you go. God bless you, Zion. We are happy to have you. The 4th day, 8th we are having the summer camp, that is tomorrow at 9:30 to 11. The 4th day is on the 30th of this month, April, where you will get all your certificates. And we have a prize distribution day for the winners of Sports Day and Annual Day. There was participation certificates and prize distribution also on 15th of April. Silly, that is silly. Please put a message to everyone. 15th of April, prize distribution. If you don't come, you don't get your certificate. I'll keep it with me.